what's up guys? So welcome back to my YouTube channel Nayan Creators. Today in this video I am unboxing an aeroplane. So the name of the aeroplane is Airbus Deformation Robot Superpower Aeroplane. It is an aeroplane which turns into a robot. You can see here guys. So the features of this aeroplane are light, bump and go, music. And I will unbox this aeroplane and I will show you how to play with it. So before watching my channel, please subscribe my channel, and if you enjoy the video, give a like, and for more and more videos, please press the bell icon. So let me start. I am opening the box. First, I got the back of the aeroplane. And here is the aeroplane. I will put the black here. Now I will put the batteries inside the aeroplane. I will open the back cover. 3 batteries. So I put the batteries and on it. It's turning into a robot.
Transformation. Warrior, transformation. Aircraft warrior, transformation.
Now I will keep this in the floor and I will show you how it works.
Aircraft warrior, transformation. Aircraft warrior, transformation. Aircraft warrior, transformation. Aircraft warrior, transformation. Aircraft warrior, transformation.
So how do you like this amazing toy? Thank you for watching this video. Tata, take care.